All right, guys. Today we have our DJI Jurassic Park themed here that we put the skin on. And, I do like it. It's very bright. So that way if you do lose your drone out there, you're able to, pick it back up and find it, which has happened before, especially in the snow. So this is the DJI Fly More package that we do have. That's why we have the 3 batteries. And so it gives you about, it depends on how fast you want to fly, what mode you're in. Sport mode, you're definitely going to run down the battery a lot more. But with these ones, you're definitely going to want to have 3 of them if you want to go out there and have more fun. Because one flight, is probably about 15 minutes. And, with this, you can get at least, about 45 minutes of flight, like I said, depending on how fast you want to fly and all that good stuff. So what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and get this guy set up and get us a little flight going. All right, so this is our first person goggles that we have here. These actually came with the drone themselves there. This is put a skin on these. This is actually the Jeep from Jurassic Park. It's got the colors. It's not as cool as the other one. I'm kind of thinking about maybe I might change it out, get the other one there. All right, guys, so we got our drone set up here. Got my motion controller all set up. Next thing we got to do is turn on our goggles. The goggles are actually already turned on. Let's go ahead and get these guys situated. We'll tighten it up. And we turn the controller. There it is. All right. So we're going to be flying this first person today. These drones do get blown around a lot in the wind, so we will get some of that. But I'm going to get 2 different types of point of views here. I'm going to get one from the drone itself, and then I also have a SIM card inside the goggles. That way you guys can actually see what you're going to see when you're actually flying these drones. It tells you the speed, the height, all that good stuff, what mode you're in. Now we're heading back to the car. You can see where the H is, and that just kind of shows you where home is. H means home. That's where the drone took off from. As you can see, the wind's kind of blowing me around quite a bit. It's got a lot of shake there. Now this is footage taken from the goggles themselves. You can see my distance from the helipad and how high we are. We're in sport mode, and we're currently traveling about 33 miles an hour. That's me stopping it right there, putting it back in normal mode. Now, normal mode just kind of makes it easier for me to land it. The throttle isn't as sensitive, and a lot of times it'll just kind of take off on you. So we're going to stop right here, kind of come around. There's our landing pad. Going to line ourselves up. See if we can get right over the top of it. And there we go. Had a nice little landing there. Hey guys, we had a good flight today. Had a good night out here. We're going to start heading home, packing it up. Already got the drone all packed up and everything. I appreciate any of you guys that are watching, any of you guys that are following. Click like, click subscribe. We're going to go on a lot more different adventures, like I said. And today was just an offhand. I've been to this place a couple different times, but I kind of just wanted to introduce the channel a little bit more, introduce myself, Derek. And, kind of what we're all about here. I appreciate you guys being with us. And, just follow the channel. If you got any questions or anything, drop them in the comment section.